everybody, it's Kika Ray, your lifestyle blogger, and welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't seen all of my videos on the renovations that I've been doing to the RV, make sure you watch those. Those are some helpful tips and trips videos that I hope you would like and enjoy, and I hope you will find inspiring. So where we're at right now is my daughter finished the cushions for my dinette. So right now where I'm at, I'm in the upper bunk part of the RV. And I recovered these as well to match the cushions that she did. So that's where I'm sitting. But I'm going to turn the camera around so you can actually see what she's done. And then what I did to kind of add to what she's done. To kind of make everything kind of tie all in. So keep watching. Here are the dinette cushions that my daughter has done. And then as you can see on the light fixtures, I used part of that fabric and just kind of draped them across the light fixtures just to kind of tie everything in. And I only did it in this area here just because, you know, the back room and everything, it has its own distinctive area. So I left those light fixtures alone. But as you can see, I did it on this side too. So with all of that and with the cushion up here that I'm sitting on, everything kind of goes and looks nice together. So I am very pleased with her work. Everything has came together nicely. That's just my dog's bed under there. But so if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave your questions in the box below. I'm going to show you some before and after pictures too. So just keep watching. Real quick, everybody, if you like my RV renovation videos, I ask that you please subscribe to my channel. In January of 2017, I will be opening my new website called Design by Ray. This is an opportunity for you to get in on some interior design work that I can do for you. So what I would do is electronically design a design board for you that you can use as a template to renovate and update your RV. I can help you along your journey by being available electronically by phone, email, or by just going to my website and simply making a request. So keep watching more great RV renovation videos coming up.